Hey there, friends, and welcome to my channel where we talk about all things Kajabi, marketing, and growing your online business. My name is Rebecca Austin. I'm a Kajabi mentor and conversion coach. And today I want to share with you a really amazing tool that is available for all of you who are using Kajabi, and that is the Confetti Template through Jiffy Courses. Recently at Kajabi Hero Live, I had an opportunity to sit down with Bastian, the designer, and we just had so much fun talking about ideas and the different things that he's working on various templates that you can use inside Kajabi to really upscale the way that your Kajabi looks. We don't necessarily want your website to look like everybody else's website. The same thing with our pages, our products, our programs. We want it to be more unique and customized to us. And at the same time, we want to be able to use certain design elements to really catapult and accentuate certain strategies. And the one I want to share with you a little bit more today is the Confetti template that Bastian has over at Jiffy Courses. If you're interested in getting this template for yourself, we have an affiliate link in the description below this video. So definitely check that out. Go right to Bastian's page and learn more about the Confetti template. But here is why I particularly love this template. And that is because sometimes we want to really add this extra flair of celebration. And the best place to really celebrate is when you're welcoming a new member into your program. So when someone first purchases your program, I am always a very big proponent. If you worked with me or watched any of my videos in the past, you've seen that I really push a good onboarding experience because you control how that feels to a new person who just signs up for you. And one of the things that I believe really sets Kajabi apart from all of the other platforms that's out there is how well we are able to control the client journey, especially after they've enrolled. And what we like to do, a very good rule of thumb, is inside the offer settings, instead of taking them right to library, we want to take them to what I call a welcome page. This is a landing page that you create inside Kajabi to have customized messaging. So I like to say that when somebody enrolls in your program, they're the most enthused, but also the most confused that they'll ever be. So we really want to accentuate and celebrate the enthusiasm, but at the same time, we want to reduce any confusion that may be going on in the back of their mind. So there's that buyer's remorse, there's the confusion of what am I supposed to do next? And we do that through a welcome page. So as soon as they click purchase, the next thing they see, unless you're using upsells, downsells, that kind of thing, that goes without saying, but once the purchase is completed, we want them to see a welcome page, and we really want to celebrate that. And a great way to do that is with the confetti. So let me share my screen really fast, and I'm going to give you a quick preview of what that looks like. So this is just my basic page template with the confetti theme. I'm just going to refresh this real quick because when it first loads is when you really see that confetti that pops up. So you notice that when we create a landing page, you have this extra confetti that's just on the page. How fun is that? So here is an example of the welcome page in our conversion code coaching program. This is what people see immediately upon purchasing is this welcome, you're officially in, we're so excited to welcome you into our community kind of thing. And then we eliminate the confusion by what to do next. But having this template from Jiffy Courses allows us to add that extra flair of excitement to that particular landing page. Do you have the option? You're probably asking me, well, what can I do with the confetti? What if I want different types of confetti? Well, the beauty of it is that Bastian has already programmed in here different confetti. So you'll notice on the theme itself is a confetti selector, and we get a nice little drop down here. So the one that I have selected is School Parade, but you can do a confetti cannon. So if I do that and click Save, you'll notice that this is what the confetti looks like. It's like a cannon going off, and we get all this rainbow colored confetti right in the center. You can also adjust the duration. So if you don't want the confetti to go on for a long period of time, you don't have to. You can adjust that. Here's fireworks. So this will give you a chance to kind of see what fireworks looks like. It's similar to the confetti cannon in that it's the rainbow confetti, but instead of it one center confetti, it's more a little all over the page and then it cascades down. I just love this one. Then we have Ocean Breeze. This is a really good one if your color scheme is more in the blues, because now our confetti is in some like turquoise blue grays. It's just it's a similar one to the confetti fireworks and confetti cannon, but you have it more in blues. And then we have From the Heart. This one I just love, pun intended, because you're getting the confetti in hearts. And I think this one just has some really fun applications that you can use this on. You also have stars. I use stars a lot, especially if I'm using this on certain lead magnet delivery pages, but it's really fun when we use this on our welcome page. And our last one, last but not least, is unicorns and rainbows. And this one also in certain applications it can be a lot of fun. And the confetti itself literally is unicorns and rainbows. So depending on your copy on your landing page, especially if you're using this for a welcome page, you can have so much fun with this. So as you can see, it's very simple. It's a very engaging. It gives that extra little pizzazz to your page, and it really adds this element that celebrates welcoming a new member into your program, but also gives them that extra little sense of excitement and that enthusiasm that we're trying to foster when somebody enrolls. So again, I highly recommend this particular theme. All of Bastian's themes that he does at Jiffy Courses, all of them are amazing. The product themes are amazing. We'll be reviewing and showing you some of the other themes. In fact, there's a little preview that we'll be talking about on our next video called Upcourse. This one actually was one that I emailed him and said, "Hey, Bastian, can you do this?" And he's like, actually, I think I can. And so he actually created it. So I got to be one of the first to use it. And I'll give you some demonstrations on that. And essentially what Upcourse is, it's a theme that you can use to create custom product posts. So the lesson post inside your product can actually have multiple elements like FAQ accordion dropdowns, audio blocks, columns, some really amazing things. So stay tuned on that one. I can't wait to show you that one where we're going to go deeper into Upcourse. But for now, I highly recommend checking out the confetti theme for page theme and use this for your welcome pages. It is so worth it. And the beauty of these custom themes that when you purchase from Jiffy Courses is that you can use them as many times as you want. You're purchasing the theme to use within your URL that you register with Jiffy Courses. So you can have 100 landing pages that you use the confetti on. Don't use them on all of them. It kind of loses some of the pizzazz when it's on every page. But certain strategic pages, it's a very phenomenal tool and one that I highly recommend. So click on the link below in the description and go over to Jiffy Courses and check out the confetti theme. And then come back here, leave a comment and let me know what you think, because I can't wait to hear your reaction on how this works for you and your business. And remember, the key to success is consistent strategy. Keep growing, keep learning. See you next time.